In each organization, we always find an off-the-chart customer service agent or an incredible salesperson. Maybe you are the type of entrepreneur that has a team with only high-performing people. But sometimes technology offers us a chance to have the ultimate ally on our team. An unparalleled colleague that enables each and every person to be more productive. This teammate is called a CRM. What is a CRM software solution? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It will help you increase your sales, automate your marketing campaigns, improve your customer service, and even your project management, while gathering all your data so you can get a global portrait of the situation. So to say it simply, a CRM will help you with more things in your company that you would expect and become a truly important ally of your organization. Whether you are a small or large enterprise, from sales to customer service, your CRM is there to help you to do more with less. By automating some tasks, reduce the stress of client follow-up, and focusing all your actions, you will make more time and information to put winning marketing strategies in place. Due to your CRM, you will have a constant flow of clients to your door, and you will be able to better nurture those relationships with them. It will handle everything. Register your clients, support you in the client acquisition, nurture your existing relationships with your clients, register the info in a database, analyze data behaviors with the help of artificial intelligence. The CRM will enable you to register your potential or actual clients while adding some notes to their file to ease your sales team's life. You will have access to previous purchases, insightful analysis, and you will be able to better collaborate together as a team to close a maximum of sales. In fact, a CRM simplifies your sales cycle by gathering everything under the same umbrella, by compiling all your data, and by allowing you to work with your team on many proposals at the same time. Say goodbye to thousands of emails chains or the horror of cold calls. A CRM will give you the needed tools to sell more without having to put in more effort. It goes without saying that the statistic researches, the segmentation, and the gathering of information to get a global picture will be accessible in one click. It will help you better build your marketing campaigns and free you from numerous restrictions that will prevent you from creating the magic of marketing. No more repetitive tasks. Your campaigns can be automated and managed directly in your CRM. Whatever the project size, the CRM is there to help you take action. Discussing with your team members, dividing the tasks, planning the timelines, and doing a follow-up after all that will never be that simple. Plus, you will avoid losing yourself on the road. Your communication will be more efficient, you will be able to automate some tasks and collaborate more often on multiple projects to offer the best from your team to your clients. Again, what is a CRM software solution? With a name that includes client and relationship, it goes without saying that the CRM will become your best friend when it comes time to help you with your customer service. With all the data in the same place, your entire team will be at your fingertips. With an efficient and optimized management system, there are no problems that will be forgotten or left without solutions. There are several examples of CRM. Gestisuf has simply decided to focus on Dynamics 365. We humbly believe it's the best adapted CRM application to answer the different levels of a business. Do not hesitate to contact us for your CRM project. It will be our pleasure to discuss it with you, and we will be able to guide you in all transparency.